Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Taurus. For your daily energies, career situation and relationship Taurus, we'll be picking few cards guys. So first let's start with your daily reading. So first few cards for your daily energies. For your relationship and career situation, I'll be picking few more cards guys. So these are for your relationship and these cards are for your career situation. So we will open these cards as we proceed into the reading. Taurus. So first for your daily energies, let us see what are these cards. Spoke of Stars in reverse, Alchemist of Spheres in reverse, and Four of Moons. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So with these cards in your situation, Taurus, there are people who are not having that true concern on you, people who have some kind of evil intentions, someone working against you, or someone considering you as their rival. So their intentions are not good. They may pose as your friend or someone with true concern, but they are working against you guys. So you need to be really careful when you are with that person. If it is someone in your career situation, if you can avoid them, it is best you try to avoid this person, guys. Stay away from them. And I also see that you have a feeling you are simply tired, whatever efforts that you are putting in today, it may not manifest. You are simply tired and things are you are coming back to that same spot again and again and again. It may be because of this person. They are creating some obstacles in your life, so some kind of problems because of that. They are quite selfish, arrogant, and they may be working against you. So you have to be really careful, Taurus, with this person. And you feel bored and dejected. Maybe things are not going as expected, and whatever efforts that you are putting in, you are not moving forward in life in this situation. So you feel tired, weary, bored, you don't know what to do today. That is also what I see with these cards, guys. Taurus, let us see what are the cards for your relationship first, Taurus. So these cards, these energies may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, and you feel stuck to some situation. You are unable to make that positive move today. That is also what I see. So let's see what are these cards for your relationship first, guys. It's Initiate of Moons, Empress, and the Moon in reverse. So, with these cards for your relationship, guys, Taurus, it's Initiate of Moons, Empress, and the Moon in reverse. So, with these cards in your situation, in your relationship, you are working towards this connection, strengthening this connection, having this emotional bonding with this person. And someone, this person is very strong and they are helping you a lot, supporting you, and they are having that true concern on you, and they are what to say, that person you can rely on, your strength and guidance in any situation. Maybe they are guiding you in your difficult times, and things are going smoothly in this connection with this person, guys. So you share this love, understanding with them. But I also see that uh, maybe there are some mistakes that you are doing without their knowledge, something, um, maybe some circumstances, some because of some unforeseen circumstances, how they are coming about. You are pushed into some kind of a situation where you are making some mistakes, something that may go against this connection, guys. But whatever it is, this person is a knowledgeable, wise, guiding person in your life, and they have true love for you. They have that true concern for you. So you can trust them, you can rely on this person. And even though you have done some mistakes or they have done some mistakes in this relationship, you share that mutual love and understanding, and it may lead to a happy union, guys, between you both. um, you may be planning to get married, or they may be planning to get married to you. So that is what I see in these cards. So a union is happening through engagement or marriage, and you're moving forward that with that deep connection with this person, that meaningful deep connection with that responsibility and commitment. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship, Taurus. Let's see what are these cards for your career situation. It's Ace of Moons in reverse, Judgment, and Seven of Suns. So again with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Taurus, these cards may denote something, Taurus. They are just pointing us towards the direction we need to work on, guys. So in your situation today, in your career, you are moving forward positively. Some promotions, some new collaborations are coming in for you in your situation, something which you can be happy about. And you are making lot of efforts, but you are struggling really hard to make things go in the right way, but you are in a advantageous position today. So things will go in a positive way. Whatever you have worked for, whatever efforts that you have made, it is leading you in the right way, and you are seeing major changes in your life, guys. Something like that of a metamorphosis, something that you feel may be troubling you today, but it is for the best things to come towards you. It is the best change. You may not realize the worth of this change that is happening in your life right now, Taurus, but these changes are necessary to push you towards that greater abundance and prosperity in life, guys. So that is the reading, Taurus. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. If you like this reading, please like and comment, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Taurus.